We're here doing the $100 challenge. Basically, we start with 100 bucks and we try to trade it into as much money as possible in order to prove a point that anyone can make it in this market, even in the bear market. So we're here to follow up on our trade, and in the previous video we talked about how Bitcoin was just about to break out from its downtrend, how the MEXC token has already broken out, and that is why we talked in the previous video that if it broke out, this was actually a perfect opportunity to cash out in case you don't want to risk it to ride longer. So if any of you guys have followed along and done a similar trade, then this would be a perfect opportunity to cash out. If you cashed out at around when it broke through, it would be a great trade, a 25% win on one of the first trades here on our $100 challenge if you cashed out. But you can also actually hold, because we are still in a downtrend on the daily time frame, meaning we could still continue to go down. It might try to break through, but it could also mean that these lines are not the best lines. That is one thing you need to take into consideration. We put one really strong downtrend. It's such a steep downtrend line that we put in that it would most likely break through as soon as it hit a support level. And it most definitely did. So we put in another line just a little bit less steeper, and it broke that one as well. Now, what we can do is just wait to see what this little pump does here, because we are still in a downtrend. Checking in on the 4-hour time frame, we can see that the MEXC token is right now in neutral, meaning it's not going up and it's not going down. It kind of wants to decide where it should go next. Looking at Bitcoin, it has actually entered a positive uptrend on the 4-hour time frame, meaning this could be a perfect opportunity to long Bitcoin, but we need to remember that this is on the 4-hour time frame. It's a little bit more volatile. Sometimes it never plays out the way you want. Right here, for example, Bitcoin pumped and it entered a uptrend on the 4-hour time frame, but it actually broke down. Now the trend indicator would actually save us here and protect us really well from the big dump, but you would still lose out on this trade here. So the 4-hour time frame you cannot really trust on Bitcoin. Usually we stick with the 1-day time frame, and if we look at the 1-day time frame, we're still in a downtrend and we have not really broken through here. We're just on the lines. We can wait a little bit more. That is why I've not cashed out on this trade yet here. I want to see how far we can ride it, but you should probably cash out the moment where it broke through here and entered a neutral on the 4-hour time frame. Checking back on the daily time frame on the MEXC token, we are of course in the downtrend, and soon it could form new opportunities for us to do more technical analysis to figure out what's going to happen right here next. So that's pretty much the update for this trade here. I also want to mention my Telegram group that I've started for traders, basically for the community. In order to join the Telegram group and talk about trading and share your technical analysis and more, I'll also share all of the stuff that I do on there, new projects that I trade with and so on. Basically everything that I find in crypto, I'll post in there. But in order to join, you have to be a referral through Bybit. And if you already have a Bybit account, you can easily just make a new one and hit transfer KYC if you want to do that. And you can become a referral and then you can join the group. It's free and I don't want to sell you guys anything, no course, no shit like that. It's basically just a group where we share everything and talk about trading, and we all try to make as much money as possible. So links down below for that and the exchanges where I trade on. Thank you guys for watching as always, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.